from the bottom of the cliff to the top of our from the bottom of the cliff to the top of the catapult, the very tippy top, is 45,000 feet. And the near angle is 72 degrees. And the farthest angle is 27 degrees. So, what we do first is we solve for, we solve for this. What I did first is I solved for this angle. I mean, it doesn't really matter which one you do first. You just have to do one. So I picked the 27 first. And what I did was use the formula of tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. Which, in our angle, well, it's tangent, angle, opposite over adjacent. And since our angle for this is 27, 10, we put 10, 27, and then we set that equal to 45,000, which is our opposite. We don't know our adjacent, so we just put ADJ is what I do. I just abbreviate there, and I'm pointing writing all that out. But tangent 27 comes out to 0.51. We replace the adjacent portion of our fraction here. We replace that with what we get for tangent 27. So that is 0.51. And so over that goes to 45,000 feet. We divide that out. And it comes to 88,225 feet. 235 feet, my bad. It comes out to 88,235 feet, 0.3. Which I guess you could round to just 0.3, but I mean, you can take the 0.3 off, it really doesn't matter. I kept it on there. Then we do the same thing, but for the 72 feet. We do the same thing, but for the 72 feet. So what we do is 10. I write the tangent, the theta, and the opposite over adjacent every single time. You don't have to once you get it, but for me, I just feel like it keeps me on track. That way, if I get distracted or I have to drop it and then go do something else, I can come back and figure out, I was doing tangent. So, which doesn't happen, but I mean, better be safe than sorry. No teacher's ever going to get mad at you for putting that down there. So, we do the same thing we just did on top, but we do tan, theta, opposite over adjacent, which is tan 72, which is our angle. Theta is also the angle. And then we also put it 45,000 over ADJ. So tangent 72 comes out to 3.1. We just move the 45,000 right over on top of it, and we solve. So we divide 45,000 by 3.1, and that comes out to 14,516.1. So what we do is we take this top number that we found, and this bottom number that we found by using tangent for 27 and 72, which is our two angles, and we subtract them. So, well, 88,235.3 minus 14,516.1 comes out to a lovely 73,719.2 feet. That, my friends, 73,719.2 feet is how wide our canyon is. This is how far I need to be catapulted across this canyon. Which, I mean, without a parachute, I'd pretty much end up like these guys. Yeah, my legs would be obliterated. I can't really arrest anybody in that position.